All right, we're back for another episode in which we will be unpackaging this Series 75 Elite WWE Hurricane. Comes with extra hands, comes with a cape. Let's look at the side art. The back. Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through. WWE's resident caped hero, my bad, was a force of nature, choke slamming for truth and justice. What's up with that? And there go the other figures. Anyway, this is taking way too long. I need to hurry up and open this. All right, that's it. Gotta make up for all that time that was wasted. Oh, yeah, look how they packed this. Ridiculous. Yeah, let's make his cape hard to get out of there. Bunch of bums. Alright, well, here we have him. His extra hands are right here. Don't worry. Here he is with his cape. Nice costume. He could fit right easily in there with any of your Marvel or DC superhero comic book guys. But since we're talking about a hurricane, let's talk about a hurricane of a different color, a horse of a different color. It's still a hurricane, it's just a different part of the world. They call it by a different name. And that name is Typhoon. There you go. The dream match everybody and they mama have always been wanting to see right here. What would happen when the hurricane faces off against the Typhoon? But, you know, if we're talking about typhoons and what have you, a lot of those things occur near the ocean. And if you're in the ocean, you got to be careful because what's in the ocean? That's right, we got sharks in the ocean, you see? Look, he's also wearing a costume. These are all costumes.